Marketing campaign. Hey there, fellas. There are going to be a lot of times when you get website visitors that will simply forget that your business exists a few minutes after, even if they liked your content and intended to visit your site again, simply because they get distracted with something else. Because of this, Facebook offers an amazing marketing service called Remarketing. With Remarketing, Facebook tracks users that visit your website and shows them your content when they're on Facebook. This is a very technical marketing method for advanced users, but in this lesson, we're going to show an easy way to create Facebook remarketing campaigns in just a few clicks. Getting started. Remarketing works by tracking Facebook users that visit a website using a tracking code called the Facebook Pixel. The Facebook Pixel is simply a line of code that you have to install on your website once, and you will find it right on the Ads Manager. So you have to start by visiting the facebook.com/ads manager URL while logged into your Facebook account. Next, you're going to click on the menu icon in the top bar and then on the Pixels option under the Measure and Report section. This will take you to the Data Sources page, where you'll find the pixel code corresponding to your ads account. To get your pixel, click on the Set Up Pixel button, then click on Manually Add Pixel Code to Website. Now you're going to click on the code to copy it to your clipboard so you can install it on your site. Installing the remarketing code on your site. You're going to install this code into the header section of your site. This will depend on what type of content management system you use. We currently use WordPress, so in this example, we're going to show you how to install it on a WordPress site, though adding the code in that section of your site is going to work the same on other CMS. If you're using WordPress, go to your site's dashboard. Move over the Appearance tab in the sidebar menu and click on the Theme Editor option. In the following page, locate Theme Header under the Theme Files menu and click on it. What you'll do now is to locate the Head tag and paste the pixel code right above it. Now click on Update File to install the code on your site. Now go back to where you left on Facebook and check that the pixel is active. Once the pixel shows activity, click on Continue. In the following page, click on Manually Add Event Code. Now click on the View Content option. Scroll down this page and copy the event code. Now go back to WordPress and paste this code right below the Head tag. Then click on Update File. Awesome! Now the tracking code is fully installed and working on your site, so you can create remarketing campaigns. So let's get to it. Creating a remarketing campaign. Creating a Facebook remarketing campaign is fairly similar to creating a traffic campaign, just like we did in the previous lesson. So what you'll do is go to your Ads Manager dashboard, and then you'll click on the Create Ad button. Once in the campaign creation page, select Conversions as the marketing objective. Next, enter the name of this campaign, click on Set Up Ad Account, and then click on Continue. Now it is time to set up the ad set. Start by entering the name of this new ad set into the ad set name field. Now, move to the conversion section. Make sure that website is selected as the destination. Then, click on the conversion event field and select View Content as the conversion event. Leave the cost control field empty and move to the audience section. Here, we are going to define the remarketing audience just like we did in the previous lesson. So let's start by selecting the target locations. Next, let's select the age and then the genders. Lastly, let's open the detailed targeting section to define the detailed targeting with keywords. In placements, we're going to leave automatic placements selected, so let's move to the budget and schedule section. Here you simply select the daily budget as the budget strategy and run my ads continuously starting today as the schedule. Enter your daily budget into the amount field and click on Continue to start creating the ad. First, enter the name of the remarketing ad into the ad name field. Now move to the Identity section, click on the Facebook page menu button, and select your Facebook business page. Because your remarketing targets come from viewing on your site, the best strategy here is to show them more content by targeting them with one of your page posts. So what you'll do now is to click on the Use Existing Post tab. Now click on the Select Post button. Next, select the Facebook post that you are going to remarket and click on Continue. Now, preview your remarketing ad in the preview window to the right, click on Review to review your campaign settings, and then click on Confirm to launch the campaign. And that's it. An easy way to create Facebook remarketing campaigns so you never miss the chance of converting a website visitor into a Facebook lead.